Hello, today you are looking at a Topaz TZ-60A portable air conditioner brought to you by Surplus Industrial Supply. This unit boasts 230 volt single phase operation, 77.5 BTU, 3900 CFM, sound level at 71 decibels. This has a mechanical thermostat. This runs at 37.8 amps full load. Comes with a manual. Nice size opening. This is portable. In nice condition. Ready for the hot summers. Again, the BTU rating is at 77,500. If you have any questions on this item or any other items at Surplus Industrial Supply, please contact us at 616-451-4100 or online at www.surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a great day.